Welcome back to my channel. This is CoinCode. I'm DMO. Some days ago on my community tab, I made a poll that the highest vote determines my next video. So on this video, I'm going to show you a new unlimited arbitrage platform which can be done from your Trust wallet. And the sweet part of it is that you don't need any account to get started, just your Trust wallet. And in addition, I'm going to show you the card that works best on this platform. So make sure you watch this video to the very end and don't skip any part of this video, because every minute of this video carries an important information you won't afford to miss. Now, before I start, please use 2 seconds of your time to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative and educative content like this. So now let's move. Now, after getting several updates, I came across a platform that aids crypto brokerage and payment gateway for cryptocurrencies, which I did research on, and I found out it's legit and trusted. And after scratching the internet, I found out that nobody has talked about this platform in respect of crypto arbitrage. That means this update I'm going to share with you is a new update, and I'm going to show you how you can take advantage of this platform before anyone else. And there are a lot of new arbitrage videos which I will be dropping for you. That is why I said make sure you don't miss out an update just by turning on the bell icon so that you get notified first when I drop an update. This platform I'm talking about is known as Simplex, which is known from the thumbnail of this video. Now, Simplex is a fintech company that provides online crypto merchants with fraud-free payments processing system. And this platform supports over 100 cryptocurrencies and over 110 fiat currencies, which have partnered with major exchanges like Gate.io, Binance, ChangeLY, and this platform also partner with decentralized wallets like Atomic Wallet and Trust Wallet, which act as payment gateway. You understand? Now, one big question is, can Nigerians use Simplex? The answer is yes, but not all cards. But don't panic, I'm going to disclose the card that works best on this platform. Now, just as you can see, in regard to that, partnership with global payment processor Simplex, the new service will also allow Nigerian users to use their debit or credit card to purchase Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin or Ripple on the platform. Now, explaining on the fees and charges, the fee can vary but generally around 3.5%. The minimum fee for transaction is $10, which is 10 USDT. Now, one big challenge is where and how can I use this Simplex platform? Now, before I show you how you can do this, shout out to Baby Natch, Sports Trailer, Tick Trader and Motivational Mode. Thank you very much for your support, I really appreciate. Please note that I do a random shout out for all my subscribers, so make sure you are subscribed to get mentioned on my next video. And make sure you give this video a like and join our Telegram community to get quick updates and engage with new members. So now let's move. Although there are multiple platforms that support Simplex, but I'm going to show you the easiest and the simplest method of using Simplex. Now, all you just need to do is to search and install Trust Wallet to your mobile phone from Play Store. Now, when you open your Trust Wallet mobile app, you just need to create a new wallet account just for this arbitrage alone, just as you can see, Arbitrage wallet. Now, the next thing to do is to click on this enabling and disabling button at the top right corner. Then you enable Smart Chain BNB. You enable it. After that, then you go back. You will discover that the Smart Chain BNB is already on your wallet. Then you click on it. Now, when you click on it, it will take you to this section. All you just need to do next is to click on this buy icon at the top right. Now, after you click on buy, it will take you to this section. All you just need to do is to erase this 150 by clicking on this star button. Then you put 98 because you don't want to exceed the $100 limit. Then on this tab, you click on it, then you select Simplex. You understand? Then you click on next. Now, after that, it will take you to this section on your browser, so you just need to wait for it to load up. Then you put your details. Now, for me to show you which card works best on this platform, I'm going to try my First Bank virtual card to see if it is accepted. Now, as you can see, I just inputted my card details from my card number to my CVV. So now the next thing to do is for me to click on this box that says I've read and agreed to the terms and conditions. So I click on it, then I click on next. It will take you to this section for you to input your personal details like your address, city, zip code and email address, you understand? And as you can see, I just inputted my personal information. So I'll just click on pay now. I click on it, then wait for it to load up, you understand? Now they will send a verification code to your email address, so you just need to input the code, then click on continue. Now, as you can see, I just inputted the code from my email address, so I'll click on continue. Now it will take you to this section that says select currency, pay in my local currency, final amount guaranteed, which is 41,702 naira. which worth 98 US dollar. Or if you have a dollar card, you can pay with dollar directly, you understand. So you just need to leave it at the naira sign, then you click on continue. Wait for it to load up. Wait for it to load up to see if it's accepted or declined. So you just wait for it to load up. So now you can see now we are sorry, but your transaction cannot be proceeded due to risk reasons. So which means the card is not accepted. Now back to our Trust Wallet. I'm going to try the same process with my Zenith card to see if Zenith card is acceptable on Simplex. Now as you can see, I just imputed my Zenith Bank card details. So I just need to tickle this box, then click on next. Then it will take me to this section for me to impute my personal details. Then after I input it, then I click on pay now. So I'm just going to paste the code sent to my email address on this box, then I click on continue. Now it will take us back to this section for us to pay either in our local currency or to pay in US dollars. So I'll leave it on local currency, then I click on continue. Then wait for it to load up. Wait for it to load up. Wait for it to load up. Then now it will take us to this section for you to authorize the transaction, you understand. So wait for it. Now this section is saying that we are going to receive the OTP in form of soft token or stuff like that. So you just need to put it on OTP, then click on continue. Now they are going to send OTP to our mobile number. Now, so I'm going to impute it. Now as you can see, I just imputed the code by which I was sent. So I will just click on submit, then wait for it to load up for the transaction to complete. Wait for it to load up. Wait for it to load up. Now as you can see, the transaction failed. That means Zenith Bank don't work for Simplex, and I'm going to try the same process again with my other banks to see if the transaction will fail or succeed. Then I'll give you my final remark. Now after multiple attempts of trying different cards, I discovered that none were successful. So I decided to try my UBA bank card and adjust the amount to 96 USDT. That means US dollars. So I just need to leave it at the local currency, then click on continue, then wait for it to give me a reply. So we just got to wait for it. Your payment is being authorized. Then it will take us back to these sections for us to authorize the transaction. So we just need to receive it via OTP. Then we wait for the OTP and proceed. So we just click on submit. Then let me see the outcome of the transaction. Wait for it to load up. Wait for it to load up. Unfortunately, our transaction declined. That means UBA card does not work for Simplex. Now as you can see, after multiple attempts, I found out that none of my card works on Simplex. So I decided to make a poll on my community tab, and so as you can see, people requesting for the video won in the voting session. So now I'm going to complete the video and tell you everything you need to know, you understand. Then you try your card and give me a response on my Telegram community. Now as you can see, the 96 US dollars worth 0.170716 BNB. So once your card is accepted and it is successful, it will display on your Trust Wallet. Now as I said before, once your card is successful, your 0.170076 BNB will display at this section, you understand. So now the next thing to do is to go to Binance, then copy your smart chain address. So now once you open your Binance account, you just need to click on wallet, then click on deposit. Now on this section, you click on BNB, you understand. You click on BNB, then you choose the network. Since you bought the BNB on smart chain, so you're going to click smart chain, you understand. Then copy your address. Now you are going back to Trust Wallet to send the BNB you bought to your Binance account. Once you click on send, you paste your address you copy from Binance, then put maximum, then you click on continue, you understand. Then you proceed the transaction. Then after some times, it will display on your Binance account, so you just need to click on transfer, you understand. Then you put it on BNB. You put it on BNB, then you click on maximum, then you click on transfer to funding. Remember, you are transferring to funding. So now you go to your funding account. Once you click on funding, you will see this option pay to pay. So you click on pay to pay, you You understand? You take it to the peer-to-peer market. Now on this section, remember you are selling it for naira, so you make sure this at the top right corner is on MGN. So now you put it on sell tab. You understand? Once you put it on sell tab, you are going to filter transaction, because now you did transaction that is more than 40,000 naira. So you're going to click on filter, then put it, then you put an amount so that it will not stress you. So you click on 30,000 naira. You click on OK, and make sure you put it on the BNB tab. You understand? So now on the BNB tab, you just need to click on sell. Someone that have good rating and good amount. You understand? As you can see, you just need to input the amounts. Now remember you bought 0.17076 BNB. You grab. Now the 0.17606 BNB worth 51,076 naira. So you just need to click your bank details, then click on sell. You understand? Now back to this section, you will notice that when making payments, you are making payment of 41,244.99 naira. You understand? That means this is the amount you'll be debited. And now, as you can see on Binance peer-to-peer, this same 0.1706 BNB, the person will be sending you 51,057.24 naira. You understand? That means the profit here is the 51,057 naira 0.24 naira. You understand? Minus 41,244 naira. You understand? Now, by the time you subtract 41,244.99 naira from 51,057 naira, you are going to get a profit of 9,812 naira. Now, with that being said, let me show you the cards that work on Simplex Trust Wallet Arbitrage. Now, as you can see from this WhatsApp group where I got the update, your FCMB card works on Simplex. You understand? Polaris card works on Simplex. Stanbic IBTC card work on Simplex. Now, in recap of all the cards that work on Simplex, number 1, FCMB bank card. You understand? Number 2 is Polaris Visa card or MasterCard. And number 3 is Stanbic IBTC card. You understand? Then number 4 is Access Exclusive card. Although this process to get Access Exclusive card is very difficult, but you can do research on it. Now, this is just how Simplex Trust Wallet Arbitrage work. So make sure you give this video a like and join our Telegram community to get quick updates, and make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on notification, as this will be it for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.